Furniture is made using raw materials that are precisely cut, shaped, and assembled. This involves woodworking, metalworking, and fabric tailoring. The function of furniture is based on design principles that combine comfort and stability, making it both practical and aesthetically pleasing. Furniture is essential for everyday life, serving as practical pieces in homes, offices, and public spaces. Winter jackets are crafted using thermal materials that help retain body heat, keeping you warm in cold weather. The jacket's layers trap warmth while protecting against wind and rain, making it a vital piece of outerwear in winter conditions. Used in cold climates for skiing, hiking, or just walking around, winter jackets ensure warmth and comfort in freezing temperatures. Salsa combines rhythmic foot movements, fluid body isolations, and the chemistry between dance partners to create an exciting form of expression. The dance relies on rhythm and synchronization, where footwork and body movements align with the beats of salsa music. Salsa is enjoyed worldwide in social events, clubs, and dance competitions, connecting people through movement and music. Adjustable phone stands are designed with flexible hinges or magnetic systems, allowing the user to set the phone at various angles. By adjusting the stand, users can optimize the phone's angle for video calls, watching content, or hands-free use. Adjustable phone stands are ideal for watching videos, video conferencing, or simply using the phone hands-free in any environment. Silk scarves are made from delicate silk fibers, woven and dyed with precision to create luxurious, lightweight accessories. The smooth texture and natural sheen of silk make scarves an elegant addition to any outfit. Silk scarves are perfect for both fashion and function, adding flair to your look while offering comfort in cooler temperatures. We've explored the craftsmanship behind furniture winter jackets, salsa dancing adjustable phones, and silk scarves, uncovering their key features and uses. These products not only serve practical needs, but also add beauty and style to our lives, from home comfort to fashion and performance.